Tá contar tíir sin tinta go maith. Agus tá sí punta. Cred anú ná cred. Sinna Julianne Russell.
Moving home was back from Australia again was a tough decision. I was there for 4 years. 2 of those years where I actually was stuck there due to COVID. I wasn't able to leave. And then making the decision coming back, I suppose mostly was for family. And then I suppose being able to play with Galway as my local club, which I never was able to play with them before because of college commitments and work commitments. I always played up in Dublin, so that was just brilliant to get that opportunity. It was amazing to play over in Australia in the W League and in the NPL League. The standard is really, really high. It was slightly different the way they play, probably a bit more athletic, but yeah, it was a joy to be able to experience it and to be able to play at a really high standard and with top players. I had, I suppose, a lot of change this season with a few injuries, with Savannah McCarthy unfortunately being out for the rest of the season with the awful injury. We had Maeve de Burka retire from playing, and then I suppose we had a few changes with Emma Starr moving to Shelburne. So I suppose, yeah, I'm probably one of the more experienced players playing in the squad, and I suppose there's probably the younger girls are looking up and seeing kind of how to kind of move forward, and I suppose I'd be kind of mentoring and leading them and kind of both on and off the pitch. It's always a really good battle between Galway and Wexford. I suppose we've had 2 draws in the last 2 games. We've played them both home and away. So we're excited to have them to Amadisi Park, and hopefully we'll put on a good performance against them and get a good crowd there.
SSE Airtricity, official sponsor of the Women's National League.